you're going to make sure your car is all the way on the very last one. What was it? What you thought? What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are here with Cody and Matt. Now we have my car, but we're not going to be in it today. We're going to be between these two cars. This is Cody's. You've seen it on the channel before. It's an S197 14 GT with a Cobra jet intake. And this is Matt's. It is a, what year is it, Matt?
It's a 2017.
It's a 2017 392 Daytona. And I've never been in one of these, so I get my chance. It's 8-speed?
Yeah,
8-speed. So it's pretty much like a scat pack almost.
Yeah, pretty much. They share the same transmissions, so.
Okay, yeah. Good deal, good deal. So guys, we're gonna do a cruise today and have some fun, so let's get this on the road. All right, so I'm gonna be riding with Cody, and between Cody and Matt's car today. The main reason I didn't want to take my car is because it's kind of hard to film, and I've never been in a 392 Charger, so I wanted to take a ride in it, and why not? Let's do it. So anyway, guys, I'm filming on a new camera today, so I don't know how this quality is. This camera's a lot better than my GoPro, so I know it's gonna be better than my GoPro, but I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out as far as like wind noise and things like that. Hope it turns out great, but it is what it is. So we're about to hit the interstate and head that way.
Give you
Alright guys, we are out here at the lake. Now we have been here before several times, and this is an awesome place to come cruise to and just to hang out. But this car right here, I rode in it today and I'm highly impressed with it. I really am. It's got power. It's got room. It does have torque. It does have torque. That 392's got plenty of torque. I have yet to be in a Hellcat.
Yeah.
I have not rode in a Hellcat Challenger or Charger.
Yeah.
But this car is just, And of course, who doesn't love the S197 Mustang? Cody is keeping the hood, right, Cody? Yep. You're keeping the hood and the wheels, right?
The wheels, yeah.
The hood's got to stay. Guys, I'll show you real quick why he's like, like, hold on. Let me go get in the car. All right, so, and I'm a little shorter than you.
Yeah.
So, all right, so this is basically your viewpoint going down the road. As you can see, that hood takes up a lot of it.
You can't see nothing. So when you pull into the parking lot, you gotta act like you're pulling a 40-foot trailer, just so you don't hit a curb.
Yep.
It's rough, man. It's rough.
That's the only reason he is thinking about getting rid of it. I imagine there's probably a few guys that watch my channel that would take it off your hands.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But I absolutely love it. You know, I think the outside look, I don't know, I'd have to drive it for a few days to see if the outside look overweighs the inability. It doesn't? He's like, nah, I still want to get rid of it. But yeah. So when are we getting this thing tuned?
I don't know.
The rest of the way.
I don't know.
I need some E85. It's bad.
Injectors.
Injectors, E85.
Monoblade, a Pypes.
A monoblade?
Yeah.
Okay.
A monoblade and a Pypes.
And a what?
A Pypes.
A what?
A Pypes.
A PMAS?
A big one.
A big PMAS?
A big Pypes. It needs one.
Yeah, guys, he's good. Little by little, he's gonna get this car where he wants it. Honestly, it's impressive right now. The Cobra Jet intake, you know, it really impresses me. But oh, I gotta get out of here now. All right, so now we're gonna listen to the exhaust on this. Wow. Woo! Little back, get it back a little further. That's my ear. Go ahead. That sounds good, man. Nice. And that's completely stock?
Yeah.
Or do you have anything done to it?
Just the mids cut off, that's it.
So basically this is how my wife's car is set up.
Yep.
Cats, no resonator. So
Yeah,
dude, it sounds
full 3-inch.
full 3-inch? Okay. Is that stock or aftermarket? That's stock? Okay. Man, it sounds so good. Alright, so I know what everybody's gonna want. They're gonna want the car that's like ear piercing.
Wow,
like
y'all really want to hear that?
they're gonna say, why didn't you do? So if I don't,
Yeah, y'all don't want that. It sounds pretty good for a 3.5.
woo! God, that is loud. That is loud.
What?
That, yeah.
It's loud.
That's loud.
Man, cold starts in the morning are rough.
Really? my car is insanely loud, and I still have the Cadillac converters. It's crazy. But this thing is just ear piercing.
Yeah, it's real loud. It wasn't fun driving to Florida.
Was it not?
No, 90 mile an hour. I had the radio with literally max volume.
It didn't help.
To drown it out, man.
Now yours has active exhaust,
It does, yeah.
so that's where active exhaust comes in handy. You can actually turn it down. That comes in handy a lot. But yeah, guys, so we cruised out here, but we need to go weigh this thing.
Yep, yeah.
So I think that's what we're gonna do now, guys. We're going to go weigh this thing and see what it actually weighs. Have you weighed this car yet?
Yeah, we weighed it.
That's right, we did. What did it weigh?
30 3560, I think.
Yeah, 30, that's right. I can't remember what I do my own videos on. That's bad. This weighs 3560, so we're gonna see how much this weighs. You got heated and cooled front and rear seats.
That's right.
Dude, so if you ride in this car, guys, not only are you gonna be comfortable in the front, but if you're in the back, you're gonna have a warm butt also.
Yeah.
All joking aside, guys, I'm highly impressed with the car. I've never been in a 392 Charger. I've been in a Challenger, but not a Charger. And for this to be a 4-door and to be as quick as it is, I'm impressed. And I know the Hellcat has got to be a beast also. One day I hope to get a ride in one of those. But right now we are going to go and weigh this thing, so we will see you there. Alright guys, we are here at the truck stop that I usually use to weigh my car, and we're going to weigh this car. So real quick, down below, put your guesses, go that way. Put your guesses down below. Don't cheat. Put your guesses down below real quick, and then we'll see how close everybody is. But we are about to weigh right now, so I just pull right up in here. Yep, pull right up in there. And then you're going to pull onto the last, you see how these things right here separated? Yes, you're going to make sure your car is all the way on the very last one. And then she doesn't weigh it until you push the button. Right there.
Thanks for choosing Pilot 366 in Jackson. Is this your first weigh or reweigh?
This is weighing the car.
Oh, it's that car, right?
Yep.
Alright, I've got your weight. You can go ahead and pull forward.
Alright, so what's your guess?
43.
43.
Yep.
I'm gonna go 42 because I give it a benefit of the doubt. I'm gonna go 42. So I'm 42, you're 43.
Alright.
So we'll see how much it weighs in just a second. Alright, Cody, I say 42, he says 43. What do you think?
4250.
4250, alright. So let's see who's the closest. Alright guys, so we'll see how much this thing's gonna weigh. So don't say nothing. What was it? What you thought, or?
Yeah. It's what I thought.
yeah.
What did Cody guess?
Cody said 4250. I said 42. You said 43.
All right.
So what is it? 4360. 43. That's not bad though, man. 4360. So for a 4-door car.
True.
It's not that bad.
And there's a little stuff in there, but
yeah.
You take the back seats out, spare, and a few other tricks. Yeah.
Engine.
So you weigh 3560?
Yeah.
So these God, that's
It's almost 1,000.
Close, yeah. Close.
That's 800. That's 800 pounds, right?
Yeah.
Am I doing my math right, guys?
Yeah.
That makes you respect that car even more
Absolutely, man.
for what it is. How quick those cars are with that much weight. I mean, you gotta respect it. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you have not, and stay tuned. The next video, if everything goes right, we'll be back doing what I love to do, if you know what I mean. Anyway, guys, we'll see you later.